Understanding the term, Grade Grubber. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a phrase that's particularly common in the academic world. Grade Grubber. This term might sound a bit strange at first, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to understand it and use it correctly. Let's get started. A grade grubber is a term used to describe a student who is excessively focused on their grades. These students often obsess over every point on their assignments and exams, and they may frequently approach teachers to argue for higher marks, even when the increase is minimal. They are more concerned with the numerical score than with actual learning or mastery of the topic. In this section, we'll explore the common behaviors and traits of grade grubbers. They often, persistently ask teachers for the possibility of extra credit to boost their grades. Argue over small grading details, like a single point on a test. Seem to care more about achieving high grades than understanding the subject matter. While being diligent about one's grades is not inherently bad, the term grade grubber usually carries a negative connotation. This is because it implies a lack of genuine engagement with the material and a priority on grades over learning. It can also suggest an element of entitlement or manipulative behavior towards teachers and professors. When using the phrase, it's important to note that it is informal and can be seen as derogatory. For example, he's not really interested in the subject. He's just a grade grubber looking for a 4.0 GPA. The professor was tired of grade grubbers hounding her after every assignment. And that wraps up our look at the term grade grubber. Remember, while it's great to aim for good grades, it's even better to strive for real understanding and knowledge. We hope this video has clarified the term for you, and you can now use it appropriately in an academic context. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.